Two of the BBs I can see, and the mask are here. So, full look out. Stay out of the cap.
Affirmative.
I'll see if I can nose in the cap. Yamato and Hinton, you support me.
Engine boost deactivated.
I'm detect.
Smoke generator started.
Got some good broadsides
Tossing.
on the right, but I'll hold my fire. Broadsides out.
Look out, tops incoming. Look out, tops.
Torpedo support. Smoke screen set.
He didn't like that.
Focus on Moscow so we can get him killed so full can cap. The Des Moines is just too full, so stay out.
Those of me on B, we can push C.
The ship is at the island.
Affirmative.
Just full on push C, and we will just defend here at A. Ops incoming.
See.
I live in out in the open.
Critical engine damage. Base turret critically damaged.
Venezia, Des Moines, push forward. Keep him busy.
Hindenburg, turn on your hydro if you have. Thank you. Ops is incoming again. Let's move back. You see the tops?
Yes, I'm trying to avoid it.
Generator started.
Hit, I'll get hit.
Engine boost deactivated.
Next stop up, I will just leave, go hide at the island here.
Screen set.
Yes, let's go there.
Danny, try and turn and push with us, if you can. I'll put a good broadside on the curve first, so...
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
Well, Victor, see the mine is coming here and us.
Yes.
He knows we're here. Change to AP. Just stay there, just stay there. Oh, that's pretty early. Those time.
Des Moines, don't pop your radar till we're ready to take out the DD. Get past these islands.
So hit it. Let's make.
Okay, DG. How long now? 20 seconds? Excellent, okay. Ignore the
Nice.
now. Nice. Take the DD as soon as he's spotted.
Smoke generator started.
We've sunk an enemy destroyer.
Go, go.
Yes.
Smoke screen set.
Keep steaming in, Danny. I've got you covered. Yeah, I know, I was just trying to get you into the smoke. Get the amateur off your back.
Our victory is in sight.
Well, might as well ram him at this point.